Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries on Thursday, April the 27th. Thanks for joining us here this morning. We're going to look at export sales and some private export sale announcements. In fact, exports were good for soybeans, 32.4 million bushels, 39.3 for corn, and only 13.5 million for the wheat market. Really did not excite much in the trade here. Beans did come off their lows a little bit in the overnight trade when they were announced. We have no private export sale announcements this morning, so we are left to trade off of these export news, which I think have already been priced in, and the fact that the weather models have turned drier. Now, yesterday at midday, we saw a pretty good sell-off in corn and soybeans on drier weather forecasts. So yesterday afternoon, National Weather Service confirmed in their 6-10-day forecast a little bit drier weather pattern. The weather models this morning, a lot of private forecasters also going with this drier pattern, but it's not perfect. It is much cooler than what is desired. So below normal temperatures. In fact, some clients in northwest Iowa reporting some snow there. Of course, we've got lots of snow in northern Minnesota and southern Canada. All this is going to disrupt planting. Even the cool temperatures are not ideal. It's you don't want to put a lot of seed into the ground when it's cold. Plus, if it's wet, you're not going to have much of a chance to dry out when it's real cold. So certainly not ideal, and we maybe took off too much yesterday. Could put a little bit on this morning, but I'm also very wary of the funds stepping in and selling a small rally at 8:30 once the markets reopen. So we got to be on our toes for that, I think, as well. Looking at the grains here, we've pulled back off of our highs. We could go test those highs again, but with the drier forecast, I think we're going to have a tough time getting back up near those old highs, and I would set my targets a little bit lower if you're looking to do some selling this morning. Now, in the livestock trade, sharply higher live and feeder cattle. In fact, in the last 30 minutes, we rallied to limit up status in both those markets. We are looking to open higher here this morning, and you just don't find a good fundamental or a technical reason to step in and start doing aggressive hedging. April feeders go off the board today. April live cattle go off the board tomorrow, and that leaves June with a huge discount to the cash markets, and I just am not interested in selling that discount. The cattle weights will be released today. That's going to be a key for the trade. Yesterday, hog weights came out 1.1 pounds larger or heavier than a week ago, and that sent some selling into the futures market. We could see some of that in the cattle if weights don't drop again this week, or if they increase. That would be a surprise to the trade. But until we see some evidence of cattle starting to back up, I really don't have a lot of interest in doing any straight selling on the board. Have a great day. Good luck, good trading. We hope to hear from you soon. Contact any of our 7 offices. They'd be glad to assist you. This has been Brian Hoops for Midwest Markets. Wish you the best. Have a good day trading.